The scheduler produces 4 Gantt charts: work order specific departments, job hierarchy, department, and employee. Each Gantt chart gives you a different view into the generated schedule. Gantt charts are display only and graphically show scheduled start and finish dates. Menu items, Gantt bar colors, and Gantt chart behavior are consistent across all of the generated Gantt charts. Each Gantt chart has 2 sections, a hierarchical grid and the graphical timeline area. On the left side is a hierarchical grid that provides information on each Gantt bar. All Gantt charts show the name of the bar, start date and time, finish date and time, and percent of completed progress, except for the employee Gantt. It shows effort hours instead of percent progress. The Gantt chart is hierarchical. Clicking on the plus or minus icon expands or contracts the Gantt chart level up or down. On the right side is the graphical timeline. This is where we paint scheduled time with different colored bars. Summary bars start and end with an upside-down pentagon. Low-level tasks are painted as a single bar with no starting or ending icon. Bar colors graphically show scheduling status. By comparing scheduled finish with target finish, the scheduler calculates slack time. 0 or positive slack time means the task is on schedule and it displays green. A negative slack time or a scheduled finish date that is older than today means the task is late and it displays red. If you don't supply target finish, the scheduler can't determine if the task is late or on time. In this case, the status is set to scheduled and is displayed as a violet bar. Gantt charts have a major and minor time scale. The major scale is on top and the minor is immediately below. If the time bar shows distinct days, weekends are painted light blue to distinguish them from work days. If you position your mouse over a vertical time separator and drag left or right, the time slot grows or shrinks accordingly. To change either the Gantt chart's major or minor time scale, right-click the chart and select Timescale. Make any applicable changes and click OK. Each Gantt chart has its own timescale settings. The scheduler remembers settings across sessions, so they remain intact until you change them. Every time you run the scheduler, it regenerates and refreshes all of the tabs and Gantt charts, unless you uncheck the Generate Gantt Charts After Scheduling checkbox. In this case, it deletes all of the previous Gantt charts and doesn't regenerate them. If you want to change the scope or order of a Gantt chart, right-click the Gantt chart and select Refresh. Filter and sort the chart as needed and click OK. You can print or preview the job, department, and employee Gantt charts. To print a Gantt chart, click the Job Gantt, Department Gantt, or Employee Gantt tab. Go to the Schedule menu and select Print, or click the Printer Speedbar button. Select the options you wish to use and click OK to print, or click the Preview button.